Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and if you are looking for a toilet brush set, then you got to check out this set from Telemer. This is going to be a 2-pack, which is really nice. So if you're just moving into a new place and you have a 2-bathroom, this is going to be a set that gives you both sets, both brushes to clean your toilet. These are going to be a wired brush, and this is very strong. So this is going to be able to clean that toilet and then be able to wash this. And this has its own little house here to live in. And then you also have this plunger with a nice ergonomic handle here. It feels nice, and a decent plunger that can actually really get a good plunge. So this is going to be able to unclog those toilets. Also has a really nice base that's going to be breathable. So when we're done, this stuff will sit in here and be able to breathe, not collect mildew, and be able to dry out. You can also clean these too as well, which is really nice. So you can throw those in the sink with some soapy water. But everything has a home. Everything has a place. Everything sits nicely, so this can sit next to the toilet. So really overall, great set. Love that. It's a 2-pack. And if you're moving and you want some new toilet brushes and plungers, then definitely check out this set from Telemer. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review.